Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello, after so long, where were you?
Ma'am, I took a break because I had my first term exams, and since we do like in the revisions we do a different chapter every day. I didn't want we can't do switch a chapter every day in tuition, so I didn't join.
Oh, so now you're free with your exams?
Yes, ma'am. Exams are done.
How was your exams?
They were good, ma'am.
What about result? Got the marks?
No, ma'am. We'll get them after the holidays.
So now you are enjoying your holidays.
Yes.
Nishika and Snehal are also here. Nishika and Snehal, Hema.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you turned off your camera?
Ma'am, I'll turn it on in 1 minute.
Hmm. Okay, so we were doing, everyone, Nishika and Snehal, you too, turn on camera. We were doing electric circuit. Okay, Uma, tell me what is electric current? Uma is there?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, electric current is the energy which is passing through the conductors, ma'am.
What are conductors?
Ma'am, the materials which allow heat to pass through them.
Okay. Hema, give me name of some conductor material.
Ma'am, some conductor materials are like most metals.
Which metal is the
Ma'am,
best conductor of electricity?
ma'am, silver.
And which metal we are using in electric wires?
Ma'am, copper.
Acha, I gave you one question also, no? Remember?
Oh, I forgot it, ma'am.
Even I
4G,
forgot.
5G internet. Everyone forgot. Yes, anyone? Students, what about you? You also forgot. Very good. Well done. What about Nishka Snehal? Turn on camera, bacha. How many times I need to say? Okay. Okay, Nishka is here. Snehal, only you are left now. Okay. So let's start with the electric circuit. So we started electric circuit, and first component we discussed, that is cell. And the group of cell is called battery. When many cells combine together, they will call battery. Okay. So cell be represented by two lines, one bigger line, one smaller line. So big line is positive terminal, small line is the negative terminal. Okay. And in which direction current flows? Positive to negative or negative to positive? What is the direction of current? Yes, anyone? What is? Yes, positive to negative. Current always flows from opposite in the direction of the electron. Okay, electrons are flowing negative to positive. So current is flowing from positive to negative. Okay, so this is the first part of the circuit, that is the cell. Okay, second part of the circuit is connecting wires. So what are wires? Wires provide a conducting path. Wires are these are the conducting path for current. Or as Hemang said, we are having copper wire for the conduction of the electricity. Although silver is the best conductor, but we are not using silver in the wires because silver is expensive metal. That's why we are using copper. Okay, copper and aluminium also. Aluminium is also a good conductor. Okay, so maybe copper or maybe aluminium. Okay. So this is the second component. Third component of the circuit is switch or key. What is the function of switch or key? Same function which are having in our home. Switch क्या होता है? If you switch on, तो means current will flow. Your bulb will glow. And if you when switch is off, means current does not flow. So switch we are using to open or close the circuit. So third component is switch.
Ma'am, for switch in sixth grade, I think I read that the switch changes the flow of direction of the electricity.
No, a switch, a flow of direction of electricity. No, it's flow. I mean, allow to flow the electricity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I mean, it is opening or closing the circuit. Function क्या होता है? It is used to open or close the circuit. If your switch is off, if switch is off, means bulb will glow or bulb will not glow.
Ma'am, bulb will not glow.
Yes, bulb will not glow. It means current is passing or current is not passing.
Ma'am, current is not passing.
Yes. Current is not passing. And if current is not passing, it means your circuit is open or circuit is closed.
Ma'am, it's closed.
Circuit is closed. No. एक second. If current is not passing, then circuit is open. Yes, circuit is open.
Ma'am, how? Ma'am, how is the circuit open?
एक second. Drawing the circle. So this is your circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is our battery. And यहाँ पे कहीं हमने लगा दिया अपना switch और the key. Okay. अभी क्या है? Now, tell me. In this condition, your switch is off or switch is on? I mean, अच्छा पहले ये बताओ, ये circuit open है या circuit close है? Open है. Because current यहाँ से आई, यहाँ आई, then current will not able to go in this path. Because circuit is open. Okay, so if circuit is open, current is not passing. Current is not passing, bulb will not go. Bulb will not go means switch is off. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And if our switch is on, so just note it down, bulb will glow because current is passing and circuit is closed. So this is the characteristic. Don't get confused with circuit and switch.
Ma'am, can you once explain like what are the diagrams representing like the open one, like the two lines?
This is the open one. Circuit is open because circuit closed kab hoga when these two lines are connected with each other.
Ma'am, and down part there are one big line, one small line, that also.
This is cell. This is your combination. These are two cell. Two cell means combination of cell means this is battery.
Okay, ma'am.
and this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. Okay, if your key or switch is connecting with each other, so means there is a closed path, means your current is flowing. Okay, circuit is closed. Okay, means this is the main door. If your door is open, so anyone can come inside. If your door is closed means, yes.
Ma'am, shall we draw the diagram?
Hmm?
Shall we draw the diagram?
Which diagram?
This one, the open and closed circuit.
Draw the circuit, open and close, and show me. Draw both type of circuit, open circuit and closed circuit. Charvi, Aryan, Nishka, Snehal. Draw open and closed circuit both and show me. Hema, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the circle and show.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
I can see. Okay, which one is open?
Ma'am, the one which is at the top is open and the one which is at the down is closed.
नहीं, आपने लिखा है क्या ओपन है? सर्किट ओपन है, स्विच ओपन है? फर्स्ट वन में
Ma'am, switch.
ये जो see circuit and switch, these are two things. Circuit means a closed path. This is your circuit. Okay, listen here, ma'am. This is our circuit. Okay, now this is a closed path. तो आप इसको क्या कहोगे? This is closed circuit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब मैं सर्किट को ऐसे बनाती हूँ, सपोज ऐसे. Is this closed circuit?
No, ma'am.
No,
It's
this
open.
is open circuit. Okay. Now, what we are doing to make the circuit close or open, we are using switch. Okay. Switch is the device by which we can convert circuit close or open. Yeah. If we are opening our circuit, ठीक है? If our circuit is open, means यहाँ पे ये break है. So if our circuit is open, so is there flow of current?
No, no.
Is there flow of current, Hemang?
No, ma'am.
No current flow. Why?
Ma'am, because the circuit's wires are broken, like the
Yes.
electricity can't pass.
Yes, electricity can't pass. But see, every time to ऐसा नहीं है ना कि we are going to break the wire. It's not possible ना. जैसे आपके घर
Like
में
the
भी.
switch is not on.
Yes, it means your switch is off. Okay, so in our circuit which are present in our home, if we don't want to open the bulb or we don't want to open the fan, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप fitting में से wire को तोड़ दोगे. You will cut the wire so that circuit get open and current will not flow. Is it not possible now? So we are using, in between we are using key or switch. Okay, so if we switch off, so means circuit is open, means current is not passing. And if you want to, if you want to switch on the light, if you want to switch on the fan, so what we supposed to do? We need to close the circuit. अब circuit close करना है, so what we supposed to do? We need to switch on the, we need to on the switch. Okay, once we on the switch, there will be flow of current. Okay, so circuit or switch, these are two different things. Circuit is the closed path made up of wire. Switch is the device by which we can allow the current to pass through. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan, sure. डिफरेंस क्या है ओपन और क्लोज में? दोनों तो सेम लग रहे हैं मुझे तो।
मैम यहाँ it's open here, मैम,
अच्छा, ओके ओके, हाँ
and
ठीक है
here it's closed.
यस यस, वेरी गुड। दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर?
Yeah, मैम.
ओके। श्रेयंस,
Yes, ma'am, just a minute, ma'am, doing the lab.
उमा, चार्वी,
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am.
ओके,
Ma'am, you read it.
यस। हाँ, yes, very good. Open circuit means your switch is
Switch is on.
got it clear?
Yes.
Uma, show me.
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am. I actually did something wrong. I'll correct it and I'll do.
Okay. Charvi,
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
okay.
And this is the open one,
Open, हाँ ठीक है, okay.
and this is the closed one.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is about circuit. Now next is electrical components. So electrical components could be your bulb, could be your TV, anything, fan, anything. Whatever we are using at our home, any component, any appliances, they are called electrical components or the electrical appliances. And these are the appliances, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? They are utilizing the electrical energy. Okay, if it is your bulb or fan or heater or motor or anything, they are utilizing the electrical energy. So they are using electrical energy. So this is the next component. Now what is the fifth component of our electrical circuit? Fifth component is the resistor. Actually, the next 2-3 component that I am telling you, these are not in our syllabus. So there is, whatever we discussed here, 4 component, it is compulsory to draw in a circuit, like you are drawing the circuit at present. Okay, so this is fine. But there are 2 or 3 more components that I am telling you. One is resistor, one is ammeter, one is voltmeter. Yes. Okay, show me. So if you are drawing in your circuit, then it's good. If you are not drawing, then it is also good. No problem. Open circuit, closed circuit. Yes, very good. But थोड़ा सा ना switch गड़बड़ बनाया है. एक बार आप बुक में डायग्राम देखना, ये ना ऐसे नहीं होता है switch. या तो आप इसको कीयर switch इस फॉर्म में बनाओ, ठीक है? नहीं तो आप ये जो लाइन बना रहे हो ना, ये ऐसे नहीं जाएगी लाइन आप. ये आपका ऐसे और थोड़ा सा ऐसे, ओके? इसको 90 डिग्री पे नहीं कर. Okay, Oma? Rest is okay. So next is the resistor. Now what is resistor? Resistor is something which control the current flow in the circuit. Okay, abhi we will discuss heating effect of electric current. So resistor is something which control the current in circuit. And sixth is ammeter and voltmeter. What are they doing? Ammeter is measuring how much current is flowing. Okay, so it measures the current in the circuit. And voltmeter measure the voltage. It measure current and it measure potential difference. Or we can say voltage. Okay, so these are the 6 components of the electrical circuit. So every component is important, need to know. But when you are drawing the circuit, so there is no need to draw resistor or ammeter or voltmeter. But if you want to draw, so there is a simple thing. Resistor we draw with zigzag line. Ammeter simple, write A in a circle, and voltmeter write V in a circle. That's it. These 3 things you need to add in the circuit. That's it. Okay, but you can leave also because abhi itna circuit is sufficient. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
could you once scroll up a bit?
Sure.
Ma'am, voltmeter measures potential difference, right?
Potential difference, yes. And what is potential difference?
Ma'am, like the voltage difference.
Volts. But what is potential? Why it is important?
Ma'am, to current to flow, ma'am, because it will flow from high voltage to low voltage.
Hmm. So I explained this before you also. The heating effect of electric current. I remember which class I explained this. This your class or some other class? Is it done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Just make this clear in your mind, difference in circuit and switch. Okay, circuit is the path only in which current is traveling. Okay, but there is no requirement of the current that it flow 24/7. Okay, sometimes we don't need current. So to stop the flow of current, we are using switch. So switch is the device which control the flow of current. Means whenever we require the current, we can switch on and the current is flowing. Okay, and when we don't, say for example, switch is like tap. Okay, water is always there in your tank. So current is always there in your meter. Okay, so once you require the water, you just turn on your tap and you will get the water. Okay, so switch is like the tap in your washroom. Okay, water is already there. Water is always there in your tank, which is at the top of the floor of the top of the house. So current is already there. So when we need the current, we turn switch on. When we need the water, we turn on the tap. Same. Okay, everyone.
yes, ma'am.
So let's discuss heating effect of electric current. All the parts are done.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Effect of electric currents means what are the effects of the electric current? So we are having basically three effects of electric current. Diverse effect of electric current. So in diverse effect, we are having three effects. One is the heating effect. Other one is the chemical effect. And one more, that is the magnetic effect. Okay, so these two we are in this grade, in chemical, in 8th grade. Okay, in detail. Short mein, we will discuss everything. Now, this is the first effect that is the heating effect. Now, what is heating? See, what happens, as I told you, okay, there is a conductor. Conductor samajh mein hai aapko? Conductor is the wire which is along. Suppose we are having a wire A and this is AB wire we are having. And this is made up of, this is a copper wire. Okay. But in this wire, in between, we insert a resistor. Up here resistor bhi, this is also a wire, but this is not made up of copper. This is made up of some other material. It could be nichrome. It could be some other material. It could be tungsten. Okay, so you know the bulb filament. The bulb filament made up of which material?
Tungsten.
Tungsten. Okay, why we are using tungsten in that? We are not using copper wire. We are using tungsten. Okay, so the reason is the heating effect of current. So what happens whenever current flows through a conductor? So क्या होता है? हर एक conductor shows some kind of resistance. Okay, and because of this resistance, some part of this electrical energy converted into heat energy. First, you note down what is heating effect. So what is heating effect?
Ma'am, is when the conducting wires offer resistance to the current, creating a source of heat.
Yes. When current passes through a conductor, every conductor shows some resistance. Okay, and because of this resistance, part of electrical energy convert into heat energy. Yeah, so this is the heating effect of electric current. Now suppose we are having a copper wire. So this is our copper wire A, B. Okay. Now this is copper wire, and copper we already discussed. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. So whatever the current is flowing, suppose say 5 ampere current is flowing, yeah, 5 molecules, yeah, 5 particles of current is flowing. So they started from point A, so they will easily flow through the conductor. Because the resistance of copper wire is very, very, very low, because it's a good conductor of electricity. Okay, so it shows very, very, very low resistance. So all the particle will easily flow. Clear? But suppose we are having another wire, A, B. Again, this is copper wire, but difference is here, in between this copper wire, we insert another wire, say made up of tungsten. Okay, so this is copper wire. This straight part is another copper wire, but in between there is a resistance R. That is tungsten wire. अब क्या होगा? Same 5 particles of या 5 current particles are moving. They move easily here. आराम से चल रहे, कोई problem. But जैसे ही R आता है तो क्या होता है? R will show resistance. ये R क्या करेगा? It will show resistance. Now, what is resistance? What do you mean by resistance? Give me example of resistance. Any example of resistance?
Ma'am,
If you-
resistance means like which do not allow to pass through them.
I mean in general language, matlab your resistance means what?
Ma'am,
Your
like I am not allowing to do it.
Your resistance means you are not willing to do something. Okay, so same with the resistor, same with the tungsten wire. Tungsten wire bhi kya karta hai? It is not willing to pass the current, so it will hold the current. So whatever the current, abhi tak to current is easily passing through the wire, but now whenever this R is there, so it will hold the current. It will not allow to pass the current. Okay, so it holds the current. Now, what is current? Current is a form of energy. Okay, we already discussed current is a form of energy. So, if you hold the current, तो current है ना, मतलब energy तो is energy. Energy तो कहीं there's a law of conservation of energy. Energy will not disappear. Energy only changes its form. So, if you hold the energy, so this electrical energy changes into heat energy. And because of this change of electrical energy into heat energy, your resistance becomes hot. Your resistor becomes hot. So what happens when you are having this tungsten wire in your bulb? तो क्या होता है बल्ब में आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी आती है, पर जैसे ही वो टंगस्टन वायर पे आती है, टंगस्टन वायर होल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस होल्डिंग दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी देन कन्वर्ट इनटू द हीट एनर्जी. दैट्स व्हाई एंड इतना हीट हो जाता है, वो इतना हीट हो जाता है, मींस द boiling point is 2100 degrees Celsius. वो इतना हीट हो जाता है बल्ब आपका, they start glowing. Okay, this is heating effect of electric current. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So क्या हो रहा है basically कि आपका जो resistor है, although resistance shown by every conductor, there is no conductor which is not showing resistance, but amount of resistance varies from conductor to conductor. Okay, say for example, you are more resistance, maybe not, you are to all you are very studious student, but there are some students who are resistant for study, but they are free for watching TV or for play, but they are showing resistance for study. Okay, so they are very much resistant. They are not allowed to open their books or whatever the things, but they are very free for, if you allow them to play, they will play whole day. Okay, but in this class, they all are very studious. They love to taking their classes and they love to write, making notes, reading, learning, everything.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so this is not about you, but there are few students like, so they are very much resistant for studies. Okay, so electrical, what is the heating effect? So every conductor is showing some resistance, but some conductors showing some more resistance. So what happens if these resistors are holding the current? So this current converted into heat. Although we are wasting our current because we are the ultimate purpose so electricity, but yeah, electricity converting into heat, or maybe in some cases it is also converted into light. So we are wasting the electrical energy here, but we made some useful things by this property of electric current. So we are having iron, the best example. Okay, and the other appliances also we are having electric iron, water heater, room heater. All these things are based on these principles. What is the principle? आप देखो iron में भी क्या होता है? This is the electric iron. What is inside the iron? Inside the iron there is a coil of high resistance wire. So inside the iron, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो ये आयरन खराब पड़ी हो तो उसको ओपन करके देख लेना, अपनी अच्छी खासी आयरन को ओपन नहीं करना. Okay, don't do practical. So inside it, there is high resistance wire, and this is made up of nichrome. Okay, just remember this name. In bulb, we are using tungsten, but in iron, we are using nichrome wire. Okay, so this is your wire. So यहाँ पे कहीं प्लग होगा, आपने प्लग लगाया, यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही है, आराम से जा रही है, कंडक्टर है, इजीली फ्लो कर रही है. But as soon as your electricity reaches to this nichrome wire, so what happens? Nichrome wire, because it is a resistor, so it will hold the current. Okay, so whenever the current passing through this nichrome wire coil, so because of this resistance, this coil hold the current, and because of the holding of the current, this coil gets heated. Okay, and then this heat transfer to the metal base of the iron. This is the base of the iron. यहाँ से आप करते हो ना, so this is the metal base. So heat यहाँ से transfer होके इस metal base पर आ जाती है. Okay, and then you use this heat to press your ironing your clothes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so क्या हो रहा है? Just कर लो.
Ma'am, will you send this, ma'am, in group?
What?
This like, ma'am, the picture of iron and the note. This. What is, ma'am, like in a PDF? Ma'am?
I will send the picture, but you note it down.
Yes, ma'am, I know the down.
Whenever current passes through this coil, एक single wire नहीं होता, actually coil होती है line. Passes through this coil.
Why do we not use tungsten in the iron, ma'am? Why do we not use tungsten in the iron, ma'am?
See, every resistor having its own properties. Like every metal is a conductor, but we are using good conductor metal only. Like copper we are using, aluminium we are using. But बहुत सारी metal दूसरी भी है ना, वो भी conduct करती हैं. Same with this. Every nichrome is having property. See, tungsten producing light also, but light we used in bulb में तो light ठीक है, but iron में तो there is no use of light ना.
Okay.
Iron तो आप there is no use of blowing of iron. Okay, we are only use the heat during ironing. But in case of bulb, we want light also. I mean, we want glow also. So that's why we are using tungsten thing.
Okay.
Okay. So when current passes through the coil, due to resistance, it heated up. And then it passes the heat to metal plate. And when your metal plate gets heated, then we use this heat to iron up or press up clothes. Okay, so this is practical use, we can say, of heating effect of electric current. In next class, we will discuss how our electric bulb, and we will not discuss, you will read about the electric bulb. Okay, same thing. Here we are using nichrome wire, there we are using thin tungsten filament. Okay, so just read it out once. Although तो सबको भूल ही जाना है होमवर्क क्या मिला था, but फिर भी I am writing here. Tomorrow we are having class now.
Okay.
So for a change, कल भूलना नहीं. Okay. Although तो भूलना है ही सबको, सबके अपने अलग अलग excuse होंगे. And if you forgot to read, just come with a, I mean, innovative excuse. Don't come with general excuse. I just forgot. Okay, come with the ekdam innovative one. So you have two choices. Either you think innovative excuse, or you can utilize that time in reading. Okay, so whatever you want to do, just do that. But do one thing. Either read, or if you are not reading, so just come with some very fine, precise, unheard, unsung, unlistened excuse. Okay? ये नहीं मैं भूल गया, मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई,
Ma'am,
मैं मार्केट गई थी, मैं शॉपिंग गई थी, फेस्टिवल था, गेस्ट आ गए थे, ये इनमें से कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं चलेगा. ओके?
ma'am, what is
मेरी
after read?
व्हाट इज आफ्टर रीड? ये देखो, रीड क्या?
Homework,
Read
ma'am.
about.
And homework.
Read about electric bulb. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so ये सारे एक्सक्यूज अभी याद हो गए हैं, कुछ नया सा एकदम इनोवेटिव टाइप का. ओके, एग्जाम सबके ओवर है तो पढ़ना तो किसी ने है नहीं, तो वो एक्सक्यूज भी नहीं चलेगा कि मेरा एग्जाम था कल. ओके, मार्केट, शॉपिंग, फीवर, तबीयत, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी, और इंटरनेट डाउन था. ओके,
Ma'am, how is internet related to textbook homework?
I don't know, these are your excuses. I don't know.
Reading
Nothing
is
is
better, ma'am.
nothing is related to the homework. See, yesterday homework also you forgot. What is the reason? If I'm asking the reason, same reason you will say. So I will not ask the reason. I'm not asking reason today also. Okay, you have two choices: either do the homework or just come with some fresh excuse. Okay. Okay, everyone. Chalo, see you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
bye.